Imagine we ask ChatGPT for dinner party ideas. We get a great answer, and then half the screen is an ad for hot sauce. We finally escaped recipe blogs and their giant ads, and it only took 2 years to get them back. ChatGPT ads are coming, and people will be looking at alternatives. So, is Claude actually better? That's what we're going to find out. In this video, I'll give you an honest look at what's better, what's worse, and the one feature that genuinely blew my mind. And it's not what you'd expect. Let's start with an experiment. I'm going to ask the same question to both ChatGPT and Claude. Let's guess which one is which. How do I get my friend to stop trying to get me into crypto? Response A, 6-step framework, 2-page wall of text, example scripts for each step. And then it asks me follow-up questions. Response B, I'm not interested in crypto, please stop bringing it up. Then it explains why it works, so don't debate, just set the boundary and move on. Which one of these is ChatGPT and which one is Claude? Response A is ChatGPT, response B is Claude. ChatGPT's response sounds like it went through HR review. Claude sounds like the friend you call from the parking lot. I'm going to be straight with you, because I'm not here to sell you on Claude. It's not perfect. Claude can't make images. If you use ChatGPT to generate pictures, logos, memes, whatever, Claude just can't do that. That's the big one. It also can't make videos. ChatGPT comes with the Sora app for video creation. Claude doesn't have anything like that. My honest take, I use both. The mid-tier plans are $20 each, $40 a month total. Claude for writing and thinking. ChatGPT's for images, video, and quick stuff. Most people don't need both, but I do because it's literally my job. But if you're on ChatGPT free tier and you're about to start seeing ads, you should know that Claude's free tier doesn't have ads. In terms of user interfaces, both tools are very similar. Check this out. It's the same chat box, same file uploads, same conversation history on the side. If you can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude. You'll feel at home in about 10 seconds. Okay, remember at the beginning when I said there's one feature that blew my mind? Both Claude and ChatGPT can build apps right in the chat. Claude calls it artifacts, ChatGPT calls it canvas. I'm going to give the same prompt to both tools. Build me an interactive trip planner for Japan with a day-to-day schedule, budget tracker, and packing checklist. Claude finishes under 3 minutes. ChatGPT finishes in over 6. And honestly, it kept stalling, but eventually returned the result. Both get you something usable. ChatGPT's looks a little more basic, but it has a couple extra features baked in. Claude's design feels more polished, and it generates much faster, which helps with iterations and random updates. From what I've seen, Artifacts is just further along. It's more reliable, it's more polished, and it's more fun to actually use. So, is Claude better? In terms of pros, the writing comes off much more natural. It's more to the point and sounds like a person. The artifacts feature also works much better. For cons, you'll lose image generation and video. That's real. But if you're on the free tier and you're staring down ads, Claude also has a free tier without ads. It's worth a shot to test it out. If you try Claude, try the trip planner prompt I used and see what happens. If this was useful, definitely like and subscribe. I break down AI tools for normal people, no jargon, no hype. See you in the next one.